Hello, Rhino from Pre-Owned Motor Cars here. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic 4-wheel drive. This is a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic 4-wheel drive with a crew cab on it, 6-foot box, alloy wheels, chrome bumpers, there's one thing I want to show you on this is the size of the back door. It gives you a lot of room in the back for your passengers. Now look at how much space you have in there. It's massive. Reverse camera, bed liner already installed, alloy wheels, and tires are in excellent condition. On the fly 4-wheel drive. So if you want to see more of this vehicle, give us a call at 808-334-1111 and ask for me, Rhino. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.